Good morning. Today, tip number 13 contract, voidable contract, illegal contract, unenforceable contract. For this, I will give some tips uh, for fraudulent purpose. If the contract is executed, this is not enforceable. See, an agreement to procure a contract for one party which would otherwise refuse the object is fraudulent. Number two, sublease is not forbidden by laws. So, you can still receive rent from the sublease on the basis of the contract. Even though, then question arises, if a rice mill had been constructed by contravening FERA, that rice mill itself did not involve execution of any unlawful object. Purchasing rice mill is different. The money obtained was totally different. This is what they say. Then an agreement between two persons to injure any third party is to assault, beat, or publish a libel is not void. Is void contract. Then immoral. For concubinage agreement is entered into, that is immoral. Therefore, that is also void. Then question arises: void agreements. The agreement of which is consideration or object is unlawful. Agreement without consideration is void agreement. Restraint of marriage, void agreement. Agreement restraint of trade is void agreement. Agreement restraint of legal proceedings. Agreement which are uncertain and ambiguous. Agreement by way of wager, that is betting. Agreement to impossible acts. So, some examples are there. Number one, if an agreement was there, 100 tons of oil to be produced daily, which was not possible. Then, if the horse is purchasing horse, if claiming that it proves lucky, then actually illegal and void agreements are totally two different. Illegal transaction is forbidden by law. Void agreements means which are under the above stated reference. I have already discussed it. The question arises, section 65, how come to rescue if the agreement is void contract? According to section 65, when parties have entered into an apparently valid and some benefits have been passed there, and thereafter subsequently came to know that the contract is void, but the earlier portion may be executable. Section 65 will not come to if the contract itself is void ab initio, but when contract has been subsequently came to know for unlawful object is void, and that you can cover under section 65 of the Indian Contract Act. Today this much is over. Best wishes.